Hello. It's nighttime right now, and Alicia and I are making vanilla ice cream, and this is what is this?
Young coconut.
And this is young coconut, and thanks to Daddy.
Oh, that was wonderful. Thank you so much, Jubilee. I got the recipe the other day, and I've had this book, Rejuvenate Your Life, for many years. And I said, you know how we all want dessert, but when we eat dessert, I don't want to feel guilty. It's like, there has to be some healthy desserts out there that we can make on our own. And so I was inspired, and I pulled this out, and this is what we came up with. Coconut cream. Okay, it's based out of coconut cream, and I just used this recipe. And I asked her if they wanted chocolate or vanilla, and she said she wanted chocolate. So I just added this cacao powder, and I put it all together. And so what they did was we broke the coconut open like that, and let's show you, just look up on the internet how to break it. Look on the internet how to break a young coconut. It takes a little work, but then you scrape off all the meat and you drain it first. And so we drained 6 coconuts, and we got like 3 full bottles of. And so we drained all the coconuts, and it came up with a lot of coconut water. And then you cut it open, and then you peel off all the meat. And this is what you get. So this is 6 coconuts. Okay, and all I'm going to do is take out all the stuff that's hard. If there's anything that's hard, like from the brown skin, you want to take that out. Okay, and then after you do that, you put it all in the blender. I like using a Vitamix because it makes it nice and homogeneous and creamy. It's going to be creamy, but it makes it really homogeneous when you use a powerful blender. So if you want chocolate, you use this. If you don't, you just use vanilla. And to sweeten it, you use maple syrup. And you saw the recipe right there. So we're going to blend it up. And I put ice first. No, actually, put ice on the top and blend it up. And you kind of have to guess because the ice is my own design. And so I put enough in there just to make it just enough thickness so that it tastes like ice cream. And Jubilee, did you like it last time? Are you taking a picture of her?
And this is the inside meat of the coconut.
Alright, so the recipe calls for 1 coconut, young coconut, and I put 6. So I multiply everything else by 6, but I'm not going to put that much maple syrup because it's, I'm not a sweet person, and I encourage you not to have as much sugar as well. But I'm going to multiply this, instead of doing 12 small tablespoons of pure maple syrup, I'm just going to do maybe 8, and I'm just going to guess how much. It's not going to be rocket science. And I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla bean, or 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Multiply that by 6, and you get 1.5 teaspoons. So not that much vanilla extract. So I'm just going to guess it, 1.5 teaspoons. Just a little bit there. And then we're going to do, we're going to guesstimate 10 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just do 8. See what it tastes like so it's not too sweet. And then I'm going to put ice on it. So I guesstimated about half and half, a 1-to-1 ratio of the meat and the ice, and we'll see how it turns out. And then you can adjust it for future dosages. But I'm going to do it. It's going to be loud, so I'm going to pause it, and then I'll show you the end product. Okay, so I finished it, and got the final product there. Probably a little bit more ice would have been appropriate, maybe a little more than 1-to-1 ratio. And I used a stomper to get it down. And my Vitamix is, I need to replace the blade so it doesn't do as effective a job, but it tastes awesome with 8 tablespoons of maple syrup that I just guesstimated. So I'll see you on the next video recipe, and I'm Dr. Paul.